Wait. Ah! Ah! I did it! Were you recording it?
Yeah.
Thank God.
Thank God.
I farted. I got so scared. Ow. That was so cool. Okay, what do you think I should do?
I don't know.
I remember we had to do those in modern and they were like the hardest thing ever. Wait, I can't remember how it goes.
Do both legs at the same time.
Wait.
Push as hard as you can off the ground. Landry.
Did you see my spit coming out?
No.
It was like... I'm like sore in the morning.